I recommend taking an old spray bottle, filling it up with warm water and a few drops of regular dish soap. We don't want to use Windex or products containing ammonia or bleach, as they can be harmful to the vinyl. Just regular soap and water does the trick. If you have hard water spots or something that the soap and water isn't getting, I've had a lot of people say that vinegar and water or a product like Murphy's oil soap can also help with that as well. Here today I just have regular Dawn dish soap and some water, and the panels are removed by compressing them to the left. You take out the panels so that you can get both sides. A couple of sprays of the soap and water mixture on both sides. And then using a microfiber towel, I found works best to not leave any streaks or residue behind. Once you get it good and clean, make sure there's no spots. And then the panel goes right back in, again by compressing it into the left track.